right, hey, there's Small Town America. Just wanted to come on here real quick and discuss with you what we've been going through with StreamYard, our streaming platform that's been helping us get our podcasts and our shows out there as we record live each week. If you've been following, we've done 18 different episodes, and we've had some audio issues or we've had some video issues, and when I first going to start this, we're on a budget. Our motto is get in the truck. We go out and do our stuff on the road, but then we like to come in, sit down and do a little bit of a recap each week of where we are or where we're going. And to have something to get out there on the platforms to go live with, StreamYard was recommended. Several of the celebrities and stuff that I work with that do some live casts. They use StreamYard. They also run into the problems that I do because we're out on the road, and a lot of time our Wi-Fi internet connections are not the best, and that's why you see a lag in the video or a lag in the audio. And and we've asked StreamYard about it. And the service team over there, they're awesome. They're great, and they'll answer any and every question you can and try to fix the problem. But the biggest selection is you need to hook up to a router. A lot of times when you're in a remote location, or you're in a situation in an area, a rural area like Small Town America, you can't just go plugging into routers or internets. It's not accessible. But and we'll do all the links in there. We're going to try to do this for under $50, um, and we're going to try to fix the problem today. I hope that the video doesn't have the lagging problems that you can do if you go back and watch some of our other live stuff. You're going to see the lags in the video. So I hope as we record today. And this is kind of a busy afternoon. Everybody in the neighborhood's up and going, businesses and all of that still got the internet. Normally, we're having to wait and shut everything down. Um, but yeah, StreamYard was recommended to us. Love it. Everything's in there. If I want to switch over here and create a banner, we can do a banner. Pops up, looks really professional. Everything in there. We can do these layovers that you see on there. And there's all kinds of tutorials, and there's all kinds of deals. Like I said, the staff over there at StreamYard have been amazing with this. Plus, I can set this up and I can do one show, and we can go live on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. We can set it out to um, different uh, destinations for you to enjoy and watch, and for viewers to see. Um, but let's go over. I want to check one thing. So as we're recording and we're doing this, hopefully the video's not freezing up, focus is not going crazy. I hope that fixed the problem. Let's go over and look at this right here on pulling up. If I do a video over here. All right, hey, Small Town America. I'm here with Corey Cannon. Corey, we've been asking the crew this morning what they thought about the frozen grapes, and these people are blown away. Some of these people, this is the first time they've ever had. Brian is going to start his own food truck, Grapes in the Cup. Bro, where did you come up with the idea?
I think it was just a God download. He's like, hey, why don't you freeze some grapes, give it out to the crew, and it's like frozen candy. It's going to cool you down internally, make you happy, right?
Everybody. Yeah, so it looks like those videos are working great, and that's part of our behind the scenes of making film. You can catch that over there at our YouTube channel. Go over and subscribe to Small Town America, and you can catch all of our videos. We're all about protecting our history and preserving our heritage, working with kids and showcasing you, Small Town America. So that looks like it worked really well. The other problem we have is when we go into the presentation modes. Any of those videos, we kind of had a lag in the audio version. So let me just pull one up and let's see how that works. Because the recommendation again is hooking it up to your router.
Down America, if you're looking for hardwood floors, we're right here, American-made hardwood. We have pecan, we have hickory, we have walnut. Over here,
Yeah,
we
it looks like we still have an audio
everything that
lag,
you need for your hardwood. Come to see Lucky's Floors Unlimited. It's right here at 1830 North Main. They've been serving the community for 44 years. Just remodeled. It's time for a new floor. That is what they have right here in stock. Come by, see the guys at Lucky's Floors Unlimited.
Yeah, it looks like so there's still just a little bit of an audio lag in the presentation mode. When you do, you're able to load your videos in. You've only got so much megabytes over there in the preloads that we're doing. But that as you saw with Corey Cannon came out real well. So when we go down to the presentation, that's the problem that we've been battling with. So I will get with them. But yeah, so the suggestion for StreamYard was to connect to your router. And again, too, we didn't have a router uh, accessible or close by or whatever. But and I'll put all the links in the descriptions below. What we ended up going to do, and let me see if I got this one. We went and got this one doesn't have it, but we went and got us a wireless router that you just plug right into your wall socket. You plug into your wall socket, you connect it to your router. The one that we got had a internet port on it. So once you connected it, you plugged it in. It plugged it in. You can connect and you can go straight into uh, your computer system, and hopefully, like I said, our camera lag that was the big problem. The audio was great, but you don't want to see this ugly mug in a frozen position very long. I mean, you don't even want to look at it right now, and when we're going live. But I appreciate that you do. So anyway, so that's what we did. We got the wireless router, hooked it up to the internet cable. So there we are. I think it was $13, another $10. So we're $25. And then because most of the time we travel with a laptop to do the show on, so you don't have an internet field there. We had to get the internet to USB cable. That was another $9. So less than $50. Hopefully, we fix the audio video lag problem that we were having with StreamYard, and it seems to work well. Under that one, I'll get with them too about still the presentation. There still seems to be a little bit of an audio lag there, but again, to everything else, guys, I really do. If you're trying to start it and you're on a budget, or if you've got a great budget, doesn't matter. StreamYard has different plans on there. They have different setups. Again, too, I can't get over that. We can sit up and do any of these banners, drop off a professional lower third banner. We can do these layovers. We can set up backgrounds if we want to do backgrounds. Let me go ahead and just turn turn the layover off function under that one. The StreamYard has one that's already custom made, and I'll put it up there live with StreamYard. There you are. I'm going to plug you, StreamYard. There you are. Uh, because I do, again, to the guys in the service department, anytime that you have a deal at the end of each recording, I ask you, gives you a thumbs up, thumbs down. You rate it, and they're real quick to respond and get back to you. But I hope that helps. And I hope that you'll go over and subscribe. Small Town America, get in the truck with us each and every week because we feature you, the people and places that make this nation great. Thank you to StreamYard. And I hope this really fixes the problem. And if you're having that problem, I hope it fixes it for you. All the links will be below. Go over and subscribe. Small Town America, get in the truck.